Hey guys, today we're going to be putting new headlights on the Camry. The Camry is a 2020 SE. It's my daily driver, and I've done a couple things to it. It's on lowering springs, it's got a spoiler, nothing super crazy. So here's a real quick before, and let's go ahead and let's get right into it. So we got to pull this bumper off. So I am running on a bit of a time frame, so we're going to try to be as quick as possible. All right, we're loose here. So now I need to take this loose, that loose, that loose. Oh, she's seen better days under here. Itty bitty. What? Hey yo, did that break or did that just come out? It broke. All right, we'll have to find another one. All right, just a little bit of force. Get this part off. This guy out of the way.
What's up, baby?
What's up, dog?
Oh, you gotta take the whole front end off?
Yeah. There it is. We got steps booked for today.
Oh,
Nah. Whoo! That scared the shit out of me. How about we just don't do that? There we go. That's up in place again. And I can put this up in place again. Yeah, go ahead and hold this side up.
Okay.
Just hold this guy like right here. Oh, I need to pull these out. All right. There's that. There's that. Oh, that wanted to come loose already. There's that one. There's that one. And then there's that one. All right. Now we're gonna nurse it down, but I gotta unplug my radar.
That's it.
All right, now we can nurse the bumper down. Oh, I forgot I had running lights. That one's already no longer connected. Go ahead and move this. Go ahead and pop this. All right. All right. Wow, these are gonna look fucking fire.
Hold it while you plug?
Yeah, go ahead and hold it.
What is that little third connector?
Huh?
What's that the yellow one?
The running light.
Oh, okay. Is that
Yeah.
like 18 or anything?
Hold on, before you do that, let me get a zip tie.
Will you have running light abilities with this?
With
headlight?
this?
Yeah.
Yeah, this will have running lights.
Okay.
And now we can kind of nurse it in.
God, those are gonna look so fucking good, man.
Those are gonna look so
Those are
good.
gonna look great.
It's not perfect, but I can live with it.
Way better than it was. It was legitimately behind the
Yeah.
panel.
I can also just kind of massage the panel back a little bit. All right, now I gotta run the running lights. I already have a fuse tap, and so I think I'm just gonna tee into this fuse tap here. So I got EFI number 1 here, so I'm gonna tap that fuse. Look at that shit. Fuck yes. All right, I'm gonna tidy up the rest of these wires and then I think we're good. All right, they're on, wires are tucked, it's tapped, they work. Oh man, let's fucking do it. Put this bumper back on. All right, so I'm hoping that we can nurse this on here. All right, just like that, huh? Clip these back in, that back in. Oh. So anyways, this is what it looks like. Looks pretty good in my opinion. I think that it looks a whole lot better than factory. They don't work a whole lot better than factory. This one right here likes to act up. The passenger side doesn't do anything funky, but this one, the blinker function, only works like half the time. I'm gonna turn them on and see if they're working right now. Yeah, it's working right now, but like a good 50% of the time, the driver's side blinker over here doesn't work at all. So I've only had them on for, I don't know, almost a month. Not anything too terribly long yet. So I guess we'll see. I'll give you all an update further down the road. And if anybody knows why the driver's side doesn't work from time to time, shoot me a message, leave a comment or something. I'd love to know. Like I said, it is intermittent. And when I went to go check the website, they actually no longer had the website up. The whole AEM tuning website was down. And AEM gets these headlights from, I think it's UQZ or QUZ, or it's an Amazon seller, realistically. So that's pretty much it for this one. It's a quick video and a little bit of a living with, I guess. Like I said, living with it, not too bad. Some small minor things, I guess if you count your entire blinker not working as minor. And other than that, it really cleans up the car. The car looks great. The lights might be marginally brighter on the road, but not so much that I can notice a huge difference. I maybe notice a bit of a difference, but anyways, thank you guys for watching. There will be some more to come for this car, probably a facelift, some running lights. It has running lights, but they're some cheap, crappy running lights, so it'll get some better ones. But this is just my daily, so whenever I do anything to it, I'll totally post a video, but hopefully in the next video, you'll get to see some more of the BMW. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one.